The door handle saga continues. I just put in this passenger side door handle. And fitment is alright. Kinda is what it is. We're not gonna remount the holes. But there's this gross casting booger here that I can plainly see when the handle's closed. So I'm gonna pull it out one more time and file that little nub down. This is that rubber I was talking about didn't fit properly. And that rubber is original to the car. I tried a different set as well. So it's definitely something about these Taiwanese handles. So that's our problem down there. That's what I'm getting so picky about. Because it really seems to be an eyesore to me. I was worried about clearance, and that's when I noticed it. Anyways, so let's fix that up.